I bet a lot of people don't know that we can use salt to attract massive amount of money. A lot of people just feel salt is just meant for cooking. In this video, I want to be showing you a simple recipe that you can do to attract massive amount of money into your life using just simple table salt. You are welcome back. What a lot of people call ordinary salt is not ordinary. Salt is not ordinary. Apart from that, from the fact that you use salt to cook, there are so many other uses of salt, especially for spiritual uses. But I'm not going into that because I've already done a video showing the spiritual uses of salt. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing us one simple recipe that you can do to attract money into your life using just the normal cooking salt, or what some people know as table salt. The only ingredient we are going to be needing for this spiritual exercise is salt. Salt, the normal cooking salt, or what you call table salt. Normal cooking salt or table salt. This is salt. What are you going to be doing? This is very simple. This is going to be very simple. What you are going to be doing is every Friday, just go to the market. You can go to the supermarket, you can go to the market, just buy your normal table salt, the cooking salt. You can buy the synthetic salt, either synthetic or not. Salt is salt for this purpose. So far you are using it to cook. That is the salt you are going to. You can use the pack one, the one inside the nylon sachet, or any pack, or just the normal one that you buy from the market. Just buy salt. Once you buy salt, make sure every Friday, you can see this one has been used. So every Friday you just fill it. Make sure you fill it and it fills to the brim. Make sure it is filled and it is full, and you cover it and you put it in your kitchen. It is just the normal way that you use your salt. I know some of you might want to ask me that I said you should be doing it every Friday. Yes, you should be filling it every Friday, because this particular recipe or ritual is called salt refill day. A lot of people have done so many things on this. A lot of people. When I learned of this some times back, I thought it's not possible. But when I started doing it, I realized it's the best thing that has ever happened. And I've seen a lot of people who have done it and are giving testimony, because I've done it. I do it. I preach it to people. Just do it. Make sure every Friday you fill your salt and you put it in your kitchen. So the question you might want to ask me is, if you said we should be doing it every Friday, so what is going to happen to this salt? It's very simple. You are going to be using the salt to cook. So far you use salt to cook, the thing will go down, and on Friday you refill it again. So when is the best time to do it on Friday? The best time to do it on Friday is in the morning. That is the best time. That is the best time, because if you do it in the morning, you feel it in the morning, so that you enjoy all the benefit. There is a lot of spiritual reasons to that particular day, that Friday. But since it is a spiritual, it is a refill day, salt refill day, it is done on Friday, and you don't have to question that Friday, because some people might want to ask, can we do it on Thursday? No, just do it on Friday. Do it on Friday and see the outcome. It is very simple. It's not something that it takes a lot of preaching, begging, cajoling. No, this one is simple. And how do you do it? Once you refill it, make sure you fill it and it get filled to the top, and you cover it. The intention your prayer request you'll be making is that, as I am refilling this jar with this salt, may the finances of every refilling this jar with salt, may the income, the finances of everyone in my family, in my household, increase. And that is just about it. Just try it. This thing is, it looks so simple that a lot of people want to query it, that this simple thing, but I just want to implore you, just do it. Once you do it, just do it. So many people feel simple things don't work, but in my case, and from experience, I realized that the simple things are the ones that work perfect. They work the best. This particular ritual, how to attract massive amount of money into your life using simple cooking salt or table salt. This one is very, very simple, and it works. It works perfect. Do it from time to time. Just continue to do it from time to time. You will see the difference. Spiritual things are not things that you just do and expect things to just work instantly. It is not magic, but you will notice. This one is not because I'm putting salt, I want 1 million. No, you are filling the salt so that you will never lack money. Your finances will not be dry. Your income will not be dry. Money will not be dry in your household. Money will not be dry in your life. That's why you are doing it, and you'll be seeing money. Don't do it and expect millions to open your wardrobe and start seeing millions. It doesn't work that way. But I bet you, if you do it, you will save money. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. To subscribe is free. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. I will never take your love for granted. Please click on the like button, share, and leave your comment. I will be available to answer your comment as I normally do. Until I come your way again, my name is Lukman. And don't forget, your spiritual life is very, very important. And I believe we can succeed together. Thanks.